Okay guys, back to cooking with Carla. Today I'm doing quick and easy barbecue chicken. So I had already washed my chicken really good and seasoned the other half because you know I'm only just working with one hand. So I'm gonna season, I said the other half, excuse me, the other side. So I'm just using a little bit of black pepper. I have lemon pepper. Oh, I'm doing jerk barbecue chicken, my bad. So I just have lemon pepper, a little bit seasoning salt, Larry's. If you see foil, it's because I use aluminum foil. It's easy to clean up. Once you're done cooking your chicken, you just throw the foil away and wash it. And wash it. So, preheat your oven to. Well, I preheat mine to 400. What else am I missing? The black pepper. I don't use no salt. Just a little bit of Larry salt is just enough. I have my jerk seasoning. Gotta be careful with it because it's a lot. It's like you don't want it too spicy, or unless you like it spicy like that. I don't like it spicy. I just like the jerkness, and I'm not putting a lot because I go ahead and add some barbecue sauce already onto my chicken, which is I'm about to do now. Just like a little bit. And then once it starts cooking, when it's almost done, I go back in with more barbecue sauce to my liking. Because really, I don't need a whole bunch of barbecue sauce. So I just do that. Sorry guys, I am using this. Holding this camera with my left hand. I am right handed, so if the camera's all over the place, just bear with me. You know, once I start uploading more videos, I'll be a little better. But this is what I have to do for now. Alright. And then you pour pour water in it. Try not to get water all over your chicken because then it beats the purpose of you just seasoning your chicken and doing that to it. I mean, sometimes it might happen. That's okay. So, just fill it up. Not too much water. You don't want all the barbecue sauce. Come on. So, that's it. Just that simple. You don't have to pre-boil it. Take it out, put it in the oven, put your barbecue sauce on. That's just too much. So, I just do it like this and put it in the oven. And then I'm going to come back and show you what it look like when it's done 2 hours later. Because I like my chicken to fall off the bone. So, stay tuned. So guys, I'm back. This is the aftermath of my chicken. Looks so good. I also made string beans and Spanish rice. That's all I'm having. But hope you guys liked the video. Once again, click like, subscribe, and leave a comment. You know, and tell me what y'all think. Bye.